Hello angels, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be trying out the new, well, it's not exactly new and I've already opened it. I just want to try out this Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration. This is just the brushes. I think it's the master collection or something like that. So I pulled up a poll on my Instagram and I asked people if they wanted to see me use this, and they said yes. So there it is, and I'm gonna use it. Then I'm also trying out this is not new as well. This is the Delancey eyeshadow palette. I got it from AliExpress actually. So it's really nice, it's really cute, it's beautiful. It's a 5-piece eyeshadow palette. Also is it's got like 5 glitter as well, which is this red one here, this sort of pinky shade, gold, and this is sort of like a champagne gold. Then also this is silver. So I'm gonna be trying this out today, so let's see how that goes. I'm gonna be using my plouise eyeshadow base, and oh yeah, my eyebrows are already done, so I didn't use any of the brushes for that. I don't even know if it's called like eyeshadow brushes, but I'm gonna try it out. I'll be using this JH08 brush. I'll be using that to stamp out my eyeshadow primer. That seems to have done the trick. I'll be using the JH30. I'll be dipping, these eyeshadows do not have names, so I'm gonna be dipping into this shade first. I'll use that to set my crease. It's actually very pigmented, you know, a bit ashy, which is to be expected, but it's not bad. I want to use as much of the brushes as I can, so I'm gonna use another brush. Okay, there is literally too much of this type of brushes. I'm gonna be dipping into this shade, and I'll also be putting that in my crease. Well, slightly above really. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to that first brush. That's the only big one. I need it to diffuse. Alright, I'm gonna be going to that same, the previous brush I used, and I'll be going to this shade here. Oh, no, I'll be going to this shade here. Oh. Ooh. It's very pigmented. I'm going to be using the previous brush again. I'm dipping into this shade here. Yeah. There you go. I'm going back to the previous shade with that old with the other brush. I'll take it up a bit. I'm gonna cut my crease and we'll go from there. Okay, I've cut my crease. I used this brush, the JH42, to cut my crease, and I used a mixture of the plouise base and a gel fix. This. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go into the glitter now. I'm not that much of a fan of glitter though. Let's spray these things out, okay? Normally if I was to use glitter, I would put like a shimmer shade underneath or some sort of shade underneath, but this time around I went straight for the glitter. I want you guys to be able to see the glitter colors and how reflective they are. Okay. To be honest, I don't know where this look is going, but the glitter shades I used was this and this, whereas the one I'm dipping into is this brown one here. I think I'm gonna dip into this one first, then I'm gonna dip into this. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill JH36 brush, like some sort of crease brush. Well, I should think so anyway. Alright, I'm gonna go back into this shade. I'll just tap that into it. Alright, lashes done. I've already moisturized my face, so now I'm gonna put on some primer. I'm gonna be using my pore reducing primer from Obsession. This is what it looks like. I'm actually excited. I love a good Kabuki brush. I'm excited to use this brush. This is the foundation brush. This is the JH03 brush. And I'm gonna be going into, I'll be using my, I think I brought out my foundation. I'm not sure I did. Okay, I'll be using my Lancome today. I know it's a bit bougie, but I really do like this foundation. Although it's a bit too dark for me, but it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna be mixing that, I'm not gonna lie. I'll mix that with my Maybelline Super Stay in the shade 240, no 340. The Lancome foundation does oxidize. Well, it does oxidize on my skin because, as you can see, my chest is a different color, while the foundation is something else entirely. Well, I make it work because by the time I highlight and everything, it literally just blends in. I'm gonna be going into, I'll be using my what's it called, this is my Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer. I'm using the same foundation brush. I'm using that to stamp the product in. Now I'm going into my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is the JH01 brush. I've been waiting to use this. This is beautiful. I love how big it is. So I'm using my ColourPop no filter Shea Prince powder. So I'm gonna use that to, you know, dust off my excess powder. This is the JH04, and I'm gonna use that to dust under my eye. I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. I'm using the JH02 brush. I'll be using this brush to contour my nose. Well, not exactly a contour, but it's to bronze my nose. Yes, yes, girl. I'm using my Fenty highlighter. This is the Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. So I'm gonna be using, I hope I didn't break it. I'm gonna be using CeeceeMua. Alright, I already put like a kohl pencil under my eye, and I used the Maybelline Made to Stay liner. This is in the shade Y'all. I don't know what this is. Anyways, I used the Revolution Pro Supreme lipstick. This is in the shade Perception. So the combo got this. I like it actually. I don't know if it's a bit too much with the eyes, because the eyes is pink, the lips are pink, everything is looking hella pink. But it's okay. It's okay. JH43 brush. And I'm using that to put the eyeshadow in my waterline. Just used my Mario Batescu facial spray. I'm always looking for a new setting spray, but for some reason I always go back to that one, so I guess I'm stuck with that one then. Hiya. So these are the brushes I managed to use, and these are the brushes I did not use. This is about 6 brushes I didn't use. As in, there's a lot of repetition, especially these blended brushes. This one I think you can use for detail work. This one you can use for detail work. And this one you can either use it for your inner corners or the outer ones here. This one is a good blending brush. I think I can use that a lot. Yeah, but you know what? It's great. But what is missing from this brush set is a good shader brush. There is 2 sort of shader-ish brush there, but they are not synthetic. So meaning I feel like I can't really use it to pack a lot of shadows unless maybe I make this ones flat. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. These are the ones that is a bit fluffy. This one, and this one. These are the only 2 shader brush there. Whereas on a good day you should have more than, for that amount of brushes you should have at least 2 or 3, and they should at least have one that is a lot flatter than this, as in there is more of a synthetic brush instead of whatever this is. And this one is okay, as in is a bit fluffy itself as well, but it's a thing where when you wear it and press it down, it goes flat. As in, that was what I used to cut my crease, and that was what I used to apply the gel fix, the fix gel, glitter fix, I'm not sure, whatever. Anyways, the brush set is good. I'm sure everybody's been raving about it, but I haven't really watched any review, or have I? No, I haven't. So it's alright, as in it's not worth my money, to be honest, because I have other brushes that do not cost as much. This was like 100 and something, and that was even at the reduced price. So imagine if it wasn't reduced. Anyways, this one I bought for, I think, just a little over £8. I bought it during sale, and you know what? I like it. I love the way my eye turned out today. It's really pretty. It's really nice. As in, I wish there was like a shimmer shade here, but obviously it does say that it's a glitter palette. Although it doesn't actually say anything, to be honest. Anyways, if you like this video, please thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification, because I upload, I think, once a week for now, at least. I try to upload at least once a week. So thank you so much for everything. I love you guys. Love you. Thank you. Bye.